last night because I took a video of my Jeep in BeamNG Drive. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, oh, what's up, guys? Me and my friend Harry are playing Ikea. So, we're doing mod menus, but we built all this mods, and I built the bathtub and stuff here. He just gave me a bunch of food to put down, so that was nice. So, I set up the blocks, he set up the art and stuff, put the TV down. I found the GameCube. I don't know how I found them. They're rare, so it was nice. Like, we were walking to go find a base, and it was just there. I was like, nice. So we're just building our base, and we spawned a bunch of Herberts, and they were just there. Like, I jumped down, I punched one, but it didn't do anything. And I was like, what? And then we deleted them and spawned in employees. Harry, how much time do we have? Ah, Harry! Harry, please. Harry? Why did you do that? I'm so scared. Oh, I glitched down the shelf. Alright, we're good. Oh, that was so scary. When you said about 1 second, I was like, oh no. Can you, like, throw Herbert off the cliff? I don't like him. Oh, you have to drag your mouse. Now I hate when that happens. Because you have an inventory open. Yeah, press Z. Yeah. I just did it. Fixed it. What? Alright. Harry, yeah, you want to go find some dudes? Alright, let's go. Oh. I'm in here. There's one like right here. I see him. He's right there. How is he not attacking me? Hey, can you go get him real quick? I'm right behind you. Check, he's like right there. Wait, what did he go? Oh yeah, there he is. He's right down the hall. And there's one right there. No, Harry, there's two, right? Okay, we'll run. Run back to base. Where are you? I'm down. Dude, where are you? I'm where we just were. I'm at the hall, pushing. Oh, there's one right there. I'm just kidding, bruh. You really did just leave me. Yeah, same. What the heck? Do you hear that? Do you hear that? There's one aggroed at us. He's jumping. He's right there. He's up here with us. I'm serious. He's right there. Yeah, there's one right there, and then there's... Oh, no, we got a short one coming. He's climbing! I'm gonna give me some sodas. Oh, no. Yeah, I don't like these guys. They're too smart. Found footage of... Oh, no! Yo, Harry should jump down there and mess up their stack. Wait, how many of them are stacking? Like 3? I think it's just 2. No, it's 3. Alright, I'm out. Ah! Oh, my. Okay. Bruh. Alright. Dude, I want to get so close to where I can punch them, but they just cannot get me. I'm jumping down, Harry. Yeah, come here. No, Harry, I'm staying up here for just a second. You can go down there if you want. Where are you? Okay, I'm going down there with you. Give me just a second. I gotta give me some soda. There's one chasing you! Run, Harry! There's one running at you. He's at the kitchen thing, diner. Oh, wait, no, you're up on the shelf. You're up on the shelf. You're like on the shelf right below me. Do you see one? Do you see one? You see one on the left side of that little diner kitchen right here where I'm pointing, where I'm facing? He's right there. Two? Yep, I guess you're right. Harry, you should eat some beans with me. Yeah, some beans. Oh, that was some good beans. Actually, dude, that did a lot of health. That gave me a lot of health. Not as much as the meds, but the beans are good. There's one, you should definitely try these beans. You should definitely try these beans, bro. They did like 10 health on me. Dude, they actually give you health, and they give you a lot of food. Okay. Alright, try this soda. Here's a soda. Alright, eat the beans in the soda. You drank the oh, eat the beans. They're good. Drink one of the beans. Drink the bean right there. I stole the bean that I was gonna give you. I don't either. Well, I do kind of. I'm using a Xbox one. It works. Man, that hurt. I ate the beans, all of them. Too cool for this world. I need another med. Wait. Alright.
Stepped out to talk to an old acquaintance. That was like 2 minutes. Oh, I am well aware of the time passage. I'll find it.
Bruh.
So, don't like this old friend? He has a questionable history. You know something about questionable histories. Well, you're not so subtle.
1 second, Harry.
That is all they bring me. Don't get over that. I've been in any with Parker.
Yeah, wait. Check Discord, Harry.
Felt like I should. You lost one family too. It had been a while. I found this. Looks like someone broke in.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do that too. Wait a second. That was on recording. Alright, never mind. Alright. This is part 2 of the just of this. Oh shoot, I fell like no! Yeah, these guys are faster and stronger. At least I can actually see. So this is day 4 of us getting wrecked. So turn on my speaker. Yeah. Well, Harry, how big is your mouse? Such a weird question because my mouse is literally so tiny. I got the tiniest mouse possible. It's like it's Mine's not even a medium size. Mine is so tiny I can fit my whole hand around it. I'm serious. It's like a baby mouse. It's a kid's mouse, I think. It's very tiny. I got used to it though, so I don't know. It's still tiny though. Ah, I slid. I was about to slide off the map. Do you see me, Harry? I'm so glad I ran into a pillar. Run, Harry! Run! Wait, what? That's what the Herberts did. Ah, there's one right there. I'm stuck, Harry. Can you come down and save me? Bruh. I'm just chill like right here. I'm gonna move the chair up a little actually. So you can actually sit down in it. Can you move? There we go. Bro, I need to get a coffee table and put this right next to it. Oh, nice. It said Friday. On the date, it usually shows the date at the beginning of a new day for a split second, like in light gray. I think that's what it just did. So I think it said Friday and something, and then the date. Man, Friday is not a Friday today. Friday more like Friday. Die day, not Friday. Yeah, because it's Friday. Night 100, it's Friday. That's what it said. I'm pretty sure it said Friday. Okay, we'll get food. Okay. Get... What gives you... Or if you have low health, use a medkit. You know how to use a medkit? So pick it up, go to your inventory. Don't press consume. And, just select it and then select it and then close your inventory. But don't press consume or drop. Just select it like you're holding it and then you're about to consume it or something. But don't. And just close your inventory and then get back to, being able to move your mouse and stuff. Just holding a medkit. And then... What was it? What button are you supposed to do? I think it's hold left click, but it's not doing anything for me. Oh, that's because I have full health. Did it work? Yeah, I couldn't do it because I, full health. But not full energy or hunger. I have 9,682 energy, so I'm good. I'll top off on energy. We're gonna need, I'm at 99 energy and 9,600. I don't need a cookie. Not tried a cookie before. Nice. Big lump of knobs, it has a juice, it has a juice. Can't imagine a more beautiful thing. Hey, Harry. I just realized that your legs don't even have a... What the frick? Bro, you good? Your legs have, 2 bends in them. One. What? Look at his legs. What guy? Oh, that guy down there? I mean, the guy... Harry, you should go check it out. I should too, actually. Hi. Oh! They're alive again, Harry! One of them just did, and not because I punched him. Also, why did you take away the pallet in the middle of the room? Yes, you did. Can you spawn in another pallet? Clear all and spawn a bunch in. Why did you do that? Harry! Why are you doing that? Bruh. Alright, give me another pallet. Go get a pallet. There's one right down there. I'm gonna be the coolest guy in the block. Don't touch the pallets. Don't touch anything. Burn. Dude, if I want to get pallets, I have to go down there. I don't want to go down there. But I have to if I want pallets. Spawn in a pallet. Yes, I know that. Actually, are they? Yeah. Who? Can I have a pallet, please? Or I'll just use this pen, actually. Thank you. Whoa. Hey, Harry. You like my, whatever this thing is? Nice. One of my, editing software? Oh, I use,